Hello, welcome to holyraw. This is your all natural, environmentally friendly skincare product shop. Today, we are demonstrating the benefits on how to use our most sought after product called SAPOR. SAPOR is a super durable, high quality, machine washable, exfoliating bath sponge that has been used in Western Africa for decades. Here at holyraw, we utilize minimal waste packaging because we care about our environment. Simply peel off the sticky backing and discard the strip of packaging. Our bath sponges are 100% authentic and imported at fair trade from Ghana. The SAPOR bath sponge is excellent for traveling. It's very light and easily compacts. The SAPOR bath sponge has a unique interlocking of knots that create small diamond shapes. The knots are what gives you the exfoliating abilities, and the diamonds are what prevents the sponge from losing its shape. The length of the sponge is very long, spanning an average of 50 inches. The more you use your sponge, the more it will soften and lengthen. It dries really quickly, which prevents bacterial growth. It is extremely durable and lasts for many years. So you will see as we are doing our durability test. Here we have Cassandra pulling the sponge with all her might, and this sponge is not tearing. Okay, so now we are going to get into our product demo. First, step into your shower, rinse your sponge thoroughly, and get your body soaking wet. Add your favorite soap to your loofah and work into a rich lather. Compact the sponge into a ball and scrub your body. You will feel a nice relaxing exfoliation which removes dead skin cells, improves blood circulation, and leaves you feeling ultra soft, fresh, and silky smooth. The sponge is great for evening out your skin tone, preventing and reducing the appearance of dark areas, and preventing and reducing the ingrown hairs, especially under your armpits and vaginal areas. If you suffer from ingrown hairs, exfoliation is key. Stretch the length of the sponge to get your back. This sponge is great if you suffer from back acne and an itchy back. It's really good for exfoliating all those tough to reach areas. Make sure you rinse off all the soap from your body. When you are finished with your shower, be sure to rinse your sponge thoroughly. Rub the sponge between your hands and remove any excess soap. Drag your hand along the length of the sponge to remove any excess water. This speeds up the drying process, preventing bacterial growth. Lastly, hang your sponge to dry. You only need to machine wash your sponge if you notice that your sponge starts to smell. Otherwise, thoroughly washing it in the shower, rinsing out the water, and hanging it to dry is just fine. This sponge is about 3 years old. You'll notice the ends are a bit frayed, but the exfoliating abilities are still very good, as well as the durability, and it's a bit softer. This sponge is about 1.5 years old. You'll notice that the color has faded out a bit, but again, the exfoliation and the durability is still there. And this last sponge is fairly new, so you'll notice the ends are not frayed and it's a bit stiffer, so it's not as soft as the other two sponges. That's why it's good to replace your sponges at least every 1 to 2 years. Alright, that completes our product demo. Up and coming are the different colors that the sponge comes in. Every time we get an import for holyraw, we get a different selection of colors. If you don't see a color you like, make sure you check back every few months for a new color selection. We try to get a variety of different colors, such as neutral colors like black, whites, grays, and nudes. And we also get vibrant colors like blues, neon yellows, oranges, and pinks. If you don't see the color that you like, just send us a message and we will be sure to include whichever color you want in the next import. You'll notice that we've also switched from our ribbon packaging to our paper packaging, and that is because we want to make sure that we spend the least amount of money on our packaging and focus our efforts on supporting businesses in Ghana by buying our products at fair trade. Thank you so much for stopping at holyraw. Make sure that you get your bath sponge and share this with all your friends and family. Also, if you enjoy our products, please be sure to leave a 5-star feedback review on our shop. Thank you and have a great day.